recipe was passed down to my grandma. Okay, let's get started. But first, you're going to need to wash your hands before you cook and have a really clean workspace. First things first, you're going to need to have 1/2 cup of butter, melted butter, and 1 cup of sugar. Now I'm going to start mixing the butter and the sugar. You want to let it mix until it's blended together. Next, you're going to need 2 eggs and slightly beaten and poured in. Now we're going to slowly mix it and put the bananas in while it's mixing. I put 1 cup smashed bananas, but I put 4 ripe bananas. Now that we smoothly mix the bananas, we are going to sift flour and whole wheat flour, 1 cup each. Now that we're all done sifting the flour, we are going to put salt and baking soda in the sifting mixture. Now that we're done, we're going to pour our dry ingredients in our hot water in here and pour half of the dry ingredients and half of the water and do it like a pattern. Now we're going to pour the rest in. And then mix it together. Our greased loaf pan, we are going to pour the banana mixture into the pan. Now that we're done pouring it, we're going to put it in the oven for 325 degrees for 70 minutes. And now we wait. It's all done. Being really tired. Banana bread all finished. I can't wait to taste it. Banana bread is all cooled off. It's time to put on a plate. Look at how pretty it is. I'm gonna cut a slice and see how it turned out. So good. I really hope you guys enjoyed the banana bread too. Bye!